Compound complex fractions are like having fractions in fractions. If you want to clear the little fractions, you need to multiply each term by the LCD of everything. That's the key. In example 1, we see that we actually have 1, 2, 3, 4 fractions, 2 in the numerator and 2 in the denominator. The way we deal with this is by looking at all the different denominators and finding out what the LCD of all these numbers would be. The LCD is 12. So on the first problem, I'm going to show you how I would do this if I wasn't extremely familiar with fractions. Remember that if you have 12 over 12, that's equivalent to 1. And also, if you had 12 over 1 divided by 12 over 1, that would still equal 1. So if I multiply by a funny looking fraction that's 12 over 1 divided by 12 over 1, and on the other side do the same thing, it looks really strange, but technically you're only multiplying by a 1. So if I multiply this fraction by 12 over 1, I get the 4's to divide out, and 12 divided by 4 is 3. So 3 times 3 is 9, and the 4 divided out. In the denominator, 12 times 1/2, the 2's divide, and I'm left with 6. 6 times 1 is 6. I have a plus sign, and now I'm working with this one. 5 times 12 is 60, but notice that the 6 and the 12 would divide. 6 divided by 6 is 1. 12 divided by 6 is 2. 2 times 5 is 10. In the denominator, we have a negative 4/3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 4 times 4 is 16, and it's subtracted. So we have 9 plus 10 in the numerator, which is 19, and 6 minus 16, which is 10, negative 10 in the denominator. 19's prime, so this is the final answer. Now that you understand where these fractions are coming from and how you can multiply through and the denominators divide out, I'm not going to write it over 1 anymore. I'm just going to find the LCD, understand that the whole numbers are over 1, and my LCD in this problem is 4. So I can multiply all the different fractions in this compound fraction by 4 to clear the denominators and simplify this compound fraction. So 4 times 1/2 is 2, plus 4 times 2, or 2 times 4, is 8. And in the denominator, 4 times 1 is 4, And 9/4 times 4, the 4's divide out, and I just have 9. Now that I have a more simplified fraction, I'll add the numerator and the denominator separately, and I get 10 over 13. 10/13 is also in its most reduced form because 13 is prime.